Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a field parameters in Microsoft Power BI. You see how a field parameter helps the Power BI user and what is the advantages of using field parameters in Power BI. See, you can see I added one chart here and added one matrix for sales parameters, the another filter slicer for to select the period. So both these filters slicers will work on the same chart. You can see here I select a month. So the total sales under a month is showing. So I select next I selected a quarter. See, you can see total sales works for quarter. It will showing. So I'm selecting the total cost. It will show the total cost under each and every quarter. When I'm changing to month, you can see the total cost under every month. So from this you can easily understand that you can use one chart here and multiple matrices like sales parameters and period parameters. The other thing is we no need to write a more complex switch DAX functions in Power BI for making this user interface. The third thing is which will give the user a good experience. He can easily handle the KPIs and handle the comparisons of different charts. For example, I select the total cost and the total sales. You can see the comparison of sales for each and every month. So it is very easy the user to understand the thing. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to create a field parameter for sales. So I add one chart here. I add one line chart here. See, line chart here I created. So I add the x-axis. I add month. Y-axis I select sales, total sales. So you can see the line chart is created here. I am changing the lanes to smooth. Sorry, to smooth. Okay, so it is showing very clear. I also take the area, shade area. Okay, the next thing is to add a field parameter, we go to the modeling menu and select the new parameter. See, under this you select the fields. Then you can see one window like this. I give the name for this parameter as sales parameters and select what are the required things we need to show it to the user. So I selected total sales, total cost, total profit. Then once you selected the required fields, click on the create button. So one slicer automatically create here. So I remove the title here, and in the slicer settings I change the type to tile. See, you can see one tile is created here for the sales parameters. See, you see. Next we need one period parameter. So I create one more parameter here. For this I am going to modeling tab, click on the fields and give the name period parameters, and I select month, quarter, week type and year as the parameters for this fields. For this, once you select this, you create on here. It will also generate one slicer here automatically. I remove the slicer heading and change the type to tile. Okay, so you can see the period slicer also created here. So you can see that when I click on this any one of the item, it will not work. The graph will not reflect this, because why? We not mapped the parameters to this graph. So for this you click on this graph and select the x-axis. We need to add the period parameter. See, I select the period parameter here. For y-axis, total sales, instead of total sales, we need to select the sales parameter here. See, so the configuration is over. You can see when I select the month here, you can see under the months, you can see the total sales. When I change the total sales to total cost, it will work like monthly cost. If you want to change to profit, it will work here. See, you can see the profit here. For easy understanding, I enable the data label here. See, also if you want to see the total sales for different quarters, you can select like this: total sales under quarter, total cost under quarter, total profit under quarter. So this is the easiest way to understand the things about a user. For comparison purpose, you can also select total sales, total cost, and three slices at the same time, three parameters at the same time. It will show the comparison also. For example, I want to know the monthly total sales, total cost, total profit comparison. You can say like this. So this is a wonderful feature in Microsoft Power BI. When you work with any Power BI project, you try to implement this kind of easy user experience as a best thing in Power BI. So thanks for watching.